watching the USA-England game. It's 6 minutes and 12 seconds in, and
England has already scored.
Yes, at 4 minutes. We're rooting for America, even if we are American Anglophiles. But we'll see what happens.
Oh, that's... Ow. Oh no. Uh-oh. Nice. Nice. Oh.
God damn it.
I fell. Oh, my knee.
Oh my god. There's we gotta get this fucking goal.
High kick. Oh man.
Knuckle touch, knuckle touch. I was in English, and there was chocolate over my desk, and I said, ah, chocolate desk. And I said, ah, chocolate rain.
Oh, scuffle.
Like, I'll kill you, like, you're going down. That's a snazzy suit.
Be flat.
Teo, since the US goalie just took a kick to the chest, I said out loud, you kicked me, Charlie Murphy. I'm bleeding in my chest. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, god damn it.
Oh, handball.
Yes! Oh my god. There we go.
Yeah, Howard.
Denied.
You get that ball.
Oh my god. He
Oh,
must be like
he
punching himself in the face.
Oh,
And just rolled in. Oh, I'll hurt myself. Oh shit, I got kicked in the face. Oh, now I'm just lying here. God, fuck, Kane.
Oh, replay it again.
I know, they just keep on
Oh my
replaying
god.
it. It's like his crawl is all. You sold your soul to America, Beckham. Don't even. If you're watching a game for the first time, which many of you might be, that kind of goal doesn't happen. Like that? Nope.
I mean, it looks
He
good.
looks good.
It looks good. Second half, and we have lunch.
Yes.
Gerard.
Gerard. Honey, do that thing you always do. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Woo! Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Howard is my man.
Fetal position. There we go.
Gerard.
Gerard. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Oh.
This isn't Vietnam. There are rules. You follow the rules.